Hey Niklas, I want to make really a breakout video about the Magic Mirror, and I think the best guy to present this is Will. He joined us also already 2020. Really thanks for that. And that is his project, so I would say the stage is yours, William.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it, Arna. So this right here, you're looking at our 65-inch digital interactive mirror. This has been made specifically for fitting rooms. At the moment, we have this deployed in 20 different stores across the United States for a company called ENZO Custom. What we're doing here with this is showcasing their suit customization application that they developed. This is a full 3D model of a suit. As you can see here, we have a touch built into the mirror, so you're able to manipulate the suit. You can go through, choose colors, change the color of the suit, change the lining of the suit. These are installed in the showrooms, so when a customer comes in, they will interact with the mirror to pick out the suit that they would like. Obviously all the colors and the materials. The nice thing about this, when you're in the showroom, the customer's standing in front of the mirror, click one button, it goes completely into a mirror. Click the button again, mirror turns back on. We have a camera built in here for the future for AR and AI try-on features. That's coming hopefully later this year.
How do you develop those? How did these guys develop the AI try-on?
It's not developed yet. They're working with a team to use some of the new AI technology for fitting, especially with fitted clothes. The issue with fitted clothes, it's very difficult to find the shoulders and the length of the arms, especially with some of the AR try-on models that exist right now. They've gotten a lot better over the last couple of years, so we're hoping this year is the year that we can finally add that feature into the mirror.
The built-in computer is going to be powerful enough to do any kind of advanced graphics for that?
Absolutely. So this model that you see here is actually 3,000 facets. It's a very, very detailed model of the suit jacket. So currently we're using a Ryzen 7 processor with integrated graphics to run all of this. It's a power horse machine. Another feature of the mirror that makes it specific to the fitting, to showrooms specifically, you can see the LED bar that we have here on the outside. The LED bar is controllable for both temperature as well as brightness. So we can go in here, adjust the temperature, and also the brightness. So depending on the environmental conditions or the look that the customer wants to go with, you're able to customize all aspects of the mirror.
Nice. So what's the response so far?
The response has been great, honestly. Customers see this and they're impressed. They love the interactivity of the application that's been developed. And the customer is rolling it out to more stores in 2025. So hopefully we'll have 30 stores by the middle of the year.
And maybe people can even load ENZO Custom online somehow and play around it on the phone or
Absolutely.
laptop.
This is available on ENZO Custom website, so enzocustom.com. You can go in. This is the main page that you would see. You click customize and you're able to interact with the suit customization application from any computer.
Nice. And when you got all this cool technology and this camera potential, there could be so many applications, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, it doesn't just have to be for fitting. We think the mirror technology in general, it's pretty flashy and definitely an eye catcher. So hotels, hospitality, event spaces, those types of things, it's definitely an eye catcher.
And normally it's maybe not on the floor, maybe it's a little bit higher?
Yeah, so it's wall mountable. It has a VESA 400 mount on the back of it. So typically we mount it up off the floor, but here for CES, due to the size of it and the size of our booth, we kept it here on the floor.